Trevor,
What's up?
did you hang out with your friends this weekend?
I did actually. I went on a short road trip
Oh, I'm
with my
surprised.
friends.
I didn't think you had that many friends.
Somehow I still do.
So today we're talking about how to grow your social circle as an adult. This is something that you've been struggling with.
Well, I think tons of adults.
Yeah, but
are
you
struggling.
mainly, you don't have that, you have like 5 friends maybe?
Less than that.
That's not that many.
No, I know. Since we're being honest here, yeah, I haven't been too happy with my social circle, and it's something I'm trying to improve.
This is something I want to touch upon. As you get older, a lot of people, like, they either have the same friends that they had in high school, and they complain about them, or they have no friends.
Yeah.
Most people, I've learned throughout this whole work from home things, that most people that I know from my blog or from just whatever, their only friends are their coworkers. Like, they only hang out with people they work with. I'm like, that's sad. Why do you only hang out with coworkers?
Because it's very easy. You already know these people. It's like friendships out of convenience.
It's like, and like you live in an echo chamber. You guys just complain about your job, talk about the same stuff all day.
You're never gonna learn anything new that way either.
So let's talk about how to grow your social circle. The first thing I'm going to recommend, since I've given you this advice, is to sign up for something new. Sign up for something different. You know what I mean? Like, let's just say, you know, you want to get better at you want to hang out with more fit people. Well, you're not going to turn your beer drinking buddy into a fit buddy, right? That's just not what they do, right?
No, that's exactly.
They drink beer. They watch sports and drink beer. You're not going to be like doing running marathons with them.
Exactly.
So I told you before, join salsa classes. I got you to join boxing class, remember?
I did try that out. Yeah.
You met some cool people, right?
Yeah. Well, there were cool people there. I didn't get to know them.
Well,
but I
because you
saw that
quit.
they
It's
were-
because you quit after It's tough to be friends with someone you quit. Yeah, but I need you guys to sign up for something different. Like, I signed up for jiu-jitsu and pro wrestling. It was September 2013. And I met so many new people because of this. It forced me to get out of my comfort zone, and I literally, my whole social, I hate the word literally, but my whole social circle was people I met at the gym in 2013.
And I guess that's why all your friends are jacked.
Well, yeah.
All of them except for me.
Well, yeah. What's your next point?
That if you want people to be your friends, you need to give to them anything. See, one thing I learned recently that's pretty interesting is that a friendship or any kind of relationship is like a bank account, and you need to make emotional deposits. If that's doing them a favor, supporting them with something.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't think about that. I never thought about that either. And it's
Yeah.
easy to fall into a habit of always asking your buddies to do you favors and this, give you this, and then they turn around and they ask you for something, and you're like, oh, I don't have time.
Yeah. Well, you did this with me. I remember I started the coffee crawl, and you kept on saying, "Oh, it looks like fun." You were like 5 minutes away. You're like 10 minutes away, and you never came on it for like 6 months, right?
Yeah.
Why was that?
I just didn't feel like making the time to do it. I don't know.
Wow, you see?
I don't have a good excuse, but I guess so.
And you complained to me saying, "Oh, people didn't do your tours." I'm like, "Well, you don't support your friends." So I came to your tours, right?
You did. It was much appreciated. Well, it's nothing I never thought about. That's what I'm saying. I'm just realizing this now, that you need to give back to people or go out of your way for them first.
Yeah, that's what I tell. Yeah, a lot of people they'll message me on Instagram or Facebook, and they're like, "Let's network." I'm like, I know what you're trying to do here. You're trying to just take my advice, my social circle. You're trying to just get stuff for free, get free advice, or just walk on in. You have to offer something first.
Yeah. Well, like we just did that episode too, where we talked about that. That don't go straight for the favor, and see, like, if you want to be somebody's friend, don't go straight for the favor.
Yeah, there's let's network, let's be best friends.
Like, why? What's in it for me? Like.
Yeah, so you sign up for something, you give back, and sometimes you might have to pay. Like, you might have to pay to pay for like join a mentorship group, or pay for a coach, or you might have to buy your way in, because like. You can't just assume you're gonna hang out with millionaires or you're gonna hang out with the people you want to hang out with. You have to earn your way in. You have to earn it in. Earn your way in or buy it in, right?
Well, you gotta find them, and then you gotta be part of that club. You need to have similar interests. You can't walk up to a group of millionaires.
Yeah.
Like, can I be one of you guys? No, you need to work your way in.
And this is what happens to a lot of people that, you know, as they get older, they work in this. They get the first job they find. They don't try anything new. They don't give back. And they never spend any money on learning new things or trying new things. And they hang out with the same losers for the rest of their life. And they wonder why they can't move forward.
Also, if you want to make new friends, you gotta be positive. All right?
Yeah.
Positivity attracts people. Yeah, we've covered this. Let's cover it again. You gotta be positive. Don't go up to people and start whining, start talking smack, all this stuff. That's not gonna make them want to be friends with you.
No. And if you're a miserable, bitter person, look, that's on you. And I get it. Life is tough. Life is stressful.
Yeah, especially this year, but...
But please, like, you have to drop that bad habit of being a whiner or a negative person. You're not gonna have any friends. You're gonna just be miserable. You're gonna hang out with the same losers for the rest of your life, which is fine. If you're okay with that, that's cool. But you wouldn't be watching if you weren't okay with that.
It's very true, yeah.
So long story short, try something different. Become a better person. Become the person you'd want to be friends with. Change yourself, and you make new friends, and then you'll have a better life. Thanks for watching.